How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the toggle trigger in Geometry Dash. So let's say that we have some blocks on our obstacle that disables us to proceed to the next part of the level. So the first thing that I want to do is to go ahead and group these blocks into something like group number 1. And of course, right after, let's now place the toggle trigger. Click Edit Object. I'm going to use the touch trigger and then group number 1. And then I'm going to click Activate Group. And simply from there, if we touch the toggle trigger, all of these blocks will disappear. Now, it's really awesome if you want to go ahead and integrate this onto your level. So let's just go ahead and make sure that it's set to something like touch trigger, multi-trigger. And so, by the way, you also want to make sure that the activate group is unchecked. So if you want to go ahead and disable the specific group, make sure it's unchecked. And if you want to enable them, you then want to make sure it's checked. So if it's unchecked, it will go something like this, where it will disable or deactivate the entire blocks itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.